Okay, you are in a boat. So here's your boat. This is you thinking about life. Okay, that's a terrible boat. Okay, you are going to step off the boat onto the shore. Okay, originally your momentum and the boat's momentum is 0 because you are both at rest, sitting there. When you go to step forward, you now have a momentum in the positive direction. Well, the total system still has to equal 0. You were 0 before, you still have to be 0 afterward. So if you have a positive momentum now, that means the boat needs to have an equal and opposite momentum of the same amount so that it cancels out and causes a total momentum still of 0. So if you were like positive 10 over here, the boat would have to be negative 10. So the boat will move back quickly because even though you have the same momentum, the boat may have a lower mass. So here you go forward, you have yours, if this momentum and this momentum are the same. If you have a larger mass, you're going to have a smaller velocity. If the boat has a small mass, it's going to have a larger velocity to equal what your momentum is.